Go send it to Marilyn, she's harried.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing another Influenster VoxBox unboxing, and this is what it looks like. This is like the third VoxBox that I get from Influenster in like a month or so. So I'm super happy that they chose me once again. I'm not sure if they're calling it the Target style VoxBox or if they're calling it the Native Vera Bradley and Venus Gillette VoxBox. But anyways, this is what the box looks like. It's a pretty big box. So let's unbox it. Ta-da! So I'm super excited for this because I like shaving my legs, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so this box comes with a little card here, and it says new beauty for you, new at Target. And it has the products that they sent me here. And so at first I thought it was a collaboration with Native and Gillette Venus, and it's not. They just sent me two different products in here, so let's check it out. Okay, so first I'm going to begin with a Native product because it's the smallest product here. And so this is a detoxifying charcoal with mint Native toothpaste. So this is what it looks like. It's like a travel size toothpaste. So I'm super excited to try out this toothpaste and just see how it works. It doesn't say anything like if it makes my teeth white or anything, so I'm going to look at the card. So it says Native, take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. Native charcoal fluoride free toothpaste, clean ingredients for long lasting freshness. So I guess it just makes your mouth feel fresh longer, so we will see. It smells really good. It just smells like mint. Anyways, I'm super excited to try this out and see what's the difference from a regular toothpaste. Okay, now the next two things that I got are from Gillette Venus, and it is a collaboration with Vera Bradley. It says Vera Bradley and Venus Pure Shave Cream, made with shea butter and without dyes, parabens, and sodium lauryl sulfate. So this is a pure Gillette Venus Vera Bradley shaving cream and honey flower with shea butter. This is what it looks like, and it's a pretty decent size. So I'm super excited to try this out because I have really sensitive skin, so most of the shaving creams irritate my skin, so hopefully this one doesn't. Our specially designed formula will help protect against irritation during the shave. So I'm going to smell it. It smells like a smoothie. It smells really good. It's just like a white cream. Let me know if you guys have tried out this shaving cream and what do you guys think. When I don't have shaving cream, I usually use like a bar soap or my conditioner, so hopefully this works better on my legs. Okay, so now the next thing that I got are razors, and I'm super happy because I use razors really fast. Like, I don't know, for some reason I could only use razors like twice and that's it, because if I use a razor more than 2 times it starts irritating my skin. So I don't know what's up with that. So anyways, they sent me the Gillette Venus Vera Bradley Comfort Glide Sugar Berry razors, and oh, they sent me 1 razor and they sent me 2 cartridges. Jesus Christ, I can't pronounce that word. But they sent me 2 little heads. These right here. Super excited to try these razors out. I actually have like 10 brand new razors because I do buy a big pack of like 20 or 30 from this brand, from Venus, and I get it at Costco. And this is the only brand that works for me because if I use a different brand it just irritates my skin, and this one is actually really good on my skin. So yeah, so I'm super happy that they sent me this brand. So I guess I will be trying this out and I will see if there's any difference between this one and the one that I usually get. Here, let me open it up actually. I wonder why they sent me a razor. I bet you they're like,
go send it to Marilyn, she's harried.
Or something, I don't know. Okay, so it looks like this. And on top you have the little wand or whatever you call it. Anyways, you guys know what I mean. The handle. And then inside, if I could open it, it comes with 2 little containers. And it has the little heads, the
cartridges.
So it has 2 of those. So I'm super excited that they sent me this and I can't wait to try it out. I'll probably use this tonight. So let me know if you guys have used any of these 2 products right here, the razors or the shaving gel or the Native toothpaste. I would like to know your thoughts on these. So anyways, let me know if you guys have Influenster and what have you guys been receiving. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.